what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about the top buy now pay later apps in USA this 2025. So if you want to know more about these apps, just keep on watching the video. Want to buy now and pay later without wrecking your budget? In 2025, BNPL apps are hotter than ever. Here are the top buy now pay laters in 2025. So let's go. First on the list is Affirm. Affirm works with big names like Amazon, Peloton, and Target. You can split purchases into monthly payments with clear terms and no late fees. It's great for large purchases, but some plans charge interest, so read the fine print. Next on the list is Klarna. Klarna lets you split purchases into four payments every 2 weeks, interest free. It works with thousands of stores, plus, it has a sleek app with price drop alerts and the virtual card. It's great for fashion, beauty, and online shopping, but late fees apply if you miss a payment. Next on the list is Afterpay. Afterpay is known for no interest, no credit check, and a simple four payment model. It's used everywhere from Urban Outfitters to Ulta. It's easy to use, but if you miss a payment, they lock your account until you're caught up. Next is PayPal Pay in 4. If you already use PayPal, they Pay in 4 lets you split purchases interest free at millions of online stores. There's no new account needed, but it's not for big ticket items. Max is usually around $1,500. Next is Zip, formerly QuadPay. Zip offers the classic four equal payments and it works almost anywhere using a virtual card, even in store. It's super flexible, but it charges a $1 convenience fee per payment, so not totally free. We also have here Split It. Split It is unique. It uses your existing credit card and splits purchases into monthly payments without interest or fees. No applications, no credit checks, no fees, no new debt. But you must have an available credit. Next on the list is Sezzle. Sezzle is ideal for building positive credit. They report payments to bureaus and offer four-part interest-free payments. It's great for Gen Z and students, but it is limited to partnered stores. And last but not the least is Apple Pay Later. Apple Pay Later lets you split Apple Pay purchases into four payments over 6 weeks, built right into your iPhone wallet. It's secure and super convenient, but it only works on Apple ecosystem. So, what's the best buy now pay later app in 2025? If you're into big buys, it's Affirm or Split It. But if you're into everyday shopping, it's Klarna, Afterpay, or Apple Pay Later. But if you want to build credit, Sezzle has your back. Use them wisely because debt in disguise is still debt. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!